Multimedia so show we yatuni din say Ghana issue show we so no ube me Janet Kuma sa show we so now etoda mo be hu say me ni mapamfo e betina esan say nyansa eni nipa bakutrim say atamfo mpese me honto me yidie ye de atamfo mpe ti deni de nyina me di shows de efe yebeka sante ho asem yebeka Ghana ho asem yebeka babibia ne ewunnim ye de bebra wo sa show we so enti me so se dani de nya oba subscribe me so kire wunua bi no nkire obi say they say Janet adodo na nim ni se yeba si queen oti no say wo Top G Multimedia ne atamfo pe kwa na me de bebra mo enti me nua me so do me yidi e be ye no se de
abusiafo me cheche obibia me obibia kwa ba eba Top G Multimedia so jumadi we me am me bedi mu akotre na ye Janet Kuma I think say me very new on this platform, very new say, and then my first time I ba platform we so nambo me ya adwen say ye de Ghana ho nsem na beba na muhu flyers I call around na tell say me ba be hostisa program ayato di in Ghana issues and a Ghana munsem and some bebre cost wo Ghana I say yenka ho asem ebi wo ho a unyanim deda ebi wo ho so unnim ne ewunnim ni ne ewunnim nyina me de baba out na ye nyina yate ase ne ehun ye cost wo Ghana month where ye wo mu ye Valentine's month and I beka say Valentine's Day nyinti no odo ane ye de tena ase wonni wo yanko wo ho a eya no wa kire no do eya ye ka say Valentine's Day normally people feel say just awarefo nko ana obi oni obi wo relationship mo but Valentine's Day goes beyond that wodo wunu Bible no kwampo kai say wodo wunu a wontan obi ha say wo yo obi a office wo ba be papa ma nyankopon ana wo pese nyankopon hwe niema bi a wo ya na chese say wo ankasa wondo wo yenko wodo wo yenko a eno ene betimi ama odo anyankopon hwehwe no atimi aba ye nyina yemu enti mesra wo say nde na da edikan a waba platform we so a mesra wo be subscribe na yentimi nkoyanim said ye da ne da me de ade ba obetimi adika yan hu first enti we de mesra wa chopa mu a subscribe Top G Multimedia so mami eno achi no me wo mi ankasa me TikTok page ende mantimi amba live for TikTok esan say mi phone no disappoint me nti ama mantimi amba live me try my TFO nyina ase meba na so mantimi amba nti we de me apologize say me di ato abontin say nde meba live mantimi amba live nti me stress say and abusum we makwakoye Valentine's Day aye odo de mo de me bone be che me say de ebetimi a ye be ya ma na ayefe dani danina nsam bi kukoso wo Ghana politicians mu ni ya nka say ya hu sa fi we abanya owo so this year and now for the next 4 years ye NDC aban omo wo opposition omo de niam bebre betutu ye ni ma omo my assurance say omo ba be yesa ne ma na maye in fact Ghana for nya omo mu arehwemu na omo to aba na ma omo vetting we cost no wutimi wo sin sam bebre apiepie Ghana for bebre enye omo de obi a bisa question inti de cost ni obi beka say bi na ye de ben yankasa ya hu vettings na cost no ye hu say politicians no bebre enka no kre omo nka no kre obi sa we ya o se me yire na ehwa me obi sa we ya o se me high dan wo Airport Hills me no nyina so enim say Airport Hills dan yen high ownership eno betimi akotenam o de yanka say wa high mama yanko Ghana records mu ni enhwe MPs na ketua se no mutua omo de ma Ghana politicians I think it's 15,000 I stand to be corrected any incentives omo de ba beka hu bia wo de yanka se ni nyina kwakosi 30,000 that kind of apartment no want me nkoka se ba kwa rent apartment of $15,000 Ghana cedis we etua no ebetimi aye ye bisa mu ahwe say ebia wu nipa kro no ebia owo extra job bi a oya ye bisa mu a osi na oye printing press obi a betimi age atumo si wo ye photocopy a eno nche so betimi akọ rent sa kind of edan no sa nipa kro we onankasa oye obi a ono aban bako no wo abai mu no obonachi ankasa ma obi bia timi ho say oh okay say there oka no kre obi a oka no kre obi a oka no kre afa say abase prove say ya wo say me de me rent we chere say Ghana for politicians no ye de ho to omo so a omo betwa ntora kire ye na afa ye nya ho ye nya wa wo hwe de ekoso a wotimi ho say arehwemu bia ni ho say wo de obi ba power wo benya no kre di afini pakro ne nchen because obetimi aka kire say ono ba bia ote no rent a na che say emu ye hu pa a me no mienu nya yenum sisa ho no wuntimi rent ma ne nya yi ye wo ba bia obetimi rent aka say okay I had the rent and I ha say but one thing is wo ka no kre bi wo ha anya hwio no kre die ho na ye itimi bua ma o man no ekọ anim na wo ye bi wo beto aya no na fe de wo ba be ka kire ye say dia wo no wo dia wo rent a na che say untimi ndi no kre enchire Ghana for these are some of the questions a Ghana for ebisa say nti say dia esan say ono ankasa nipa kun no ka kire say ono no on pese on fa aban ajapade bibibia nti no obeka no kre no say sa honum no eyo na nankasa ni fi a Ghana for be disappointed in him nti no ene ne odo ba beka no say o rent ayi andi nansa na ne yere edin aba be pop up say sa apartment na ye ne yere ne oni sa apartment no which we all know say eye no kre na mbom no esan se onu no ankasa no ohwa asem a oka no wantimi andi no kra nkyere Ghana fo nti no ontimi mfa eno no enya asem ontimi nka ana ontimi nye bold. This is why I want to tell you say we the politicians are here sometimes no when you do what dream na time bia wotina ho na wo feel say politician ono no baba no aba be boawa na oba no aba be ka say bia sei na eye nti no to aba mana ana na wa hwere wa de papa bia wo esan se na na do aban wo so ni anka say ye hu ni ekoso nya se bibibia na bibibia ye de so bi ka say na do aban brem no bibibia ya ne ye boa na so niema bia privileges bia ya nya enjoy no eno nkwakwakwo ya de mua nti no se wotina na wonya sa privileges we bi na wo say wo de wo mpanti no wo de wo pa obi oba be daada no de no ho ababan mu a ene no wankasa wo jejereje. So questions are Ghana for ebisa say yes honorable Okujeto ablakwa omra mechereche ni dan na otimu no onchereche mu no mfa papers ni ehun craft asem ni own ni landlord ni hun sems landlord ni yes awodi atinam no mfa bra ni yenhwe say ampa say no kura pa so wa rent dan na yenhwe me ne onyina so yenim say enya no kure but we giving the benefit of the doubt say bia na no kure. Sometimes I always say sometimes we don't even know what we have and we lose what we have. And on na amafo ntia say me kasa na amafo fi say because say you make your mind say you like a political party which is the MPP ninti na say asema obeka bia nipa mpese mo fa ne serious. But let's be real as a Ghanaian we say aban bi ba o discover ba betu bottom ana that is not going to happen sai nsi nti say aban bi ba no mfa sika betu bottom na o twa wontro masa wankasa na hwe watena wasetena mu na say yetena so ne de kenkeni aduane na ye de beka asema mimi sas Ghana for say dokono about 2 cedis ana all a sudden Ghanaians are quiet because aban papa na aba. Maybe some question. Kenke no ya tumu ana ya bread ya bano asiana. Is kenke now 2 cedis? No. Enya 2 cedis. It's more than that. It's where che say ade bi wo ho bi kan asem no or dada wonder that kwan to a. As say someone use what be because I say education is very important. But when you say it, people think it's you are doing politics. Therefore, whatever you are saying, people shouldn't take. But politics were her. But reality is reality. kenke any sanimani yemfa bu aban we think of policies say mama yenkom ne diverting to policies are MPP and this is some mobile mo de baba ebi na ye free ayi first year for admission to tertiary educations, that institutions, that the university, the polytechnics, now we call it technical universities, ni akaka ho nyina. Se omo na kan omo amuso mo boa. So then eye Ghana for say obi a ono ne mbra so watwa allowance mu. You feel say sanipa no ba be free amamu ana. Me can asem we am ye dia kwakosi asem so say we should be very vigilant. It shouldn't be whether it's NDC or MPP. Or nipa no ba no kind of policy na hwe dia watinya ye da. Na fa no ye ngina so say ebia ne nipa we aye nti no obetimi aye de etisa. Na wan fa no am ye ngina so na wo fi si wo ba be ka de wo pe ana o ka de o pe na o adada wo na wa wo fi say and dada na o dada wo no ebetimi aboa wa na wa jejereje. And that woman price say and MPP fra by mu any 2-3 weeks crampo ye she said the food will increase. Can yes, let's be real and use our mind. Mama ye my education kwaya ho I am a kind of education that people think so what in a classroom what sua dia book and now what degree be masters be and a PhD be na chese what sua dia no. Yes, we are there ni yadwe. What's now no share the course wa braboma. You learn from that. That is what I'm trying to say. You learn from what is going on. And ya idea wo fi say what now na this a work about degree bi ansa na bibisa. You do what dream. Nyankopon bo adwin we maye no maye say yam fan dream. And ya fe no bi ba dream am. So if you can't think for yourself, that is you are disturbing your own self. I don't know if I'm making sense, but I know I am making. Who use wadrian ma bi simple abrabo mama. But so why use wadrian na man for be detect am and I'm sorry for you. You are going to face a lot of problems. Challenges will come because no one person will use wadrian. I'm not saying say we are stupid or we don't know what we are doing, but sometimes let's think critical. Let's be logical. We think critical and being logical. What means I deal with any pay or chantro. Now, so now we're gonna need a GD. Who pa again at the hot clear wouldn't say trop and ultra. Now, so no GD. Why are we hurting our own selves? Say, you're honorable Sam. I think you're nation. Meanwhile, they be out in the money. So, what you use as semi or big is not logical. How can you tell me so or not to a nation? No, 2 years back, delay show. Interview on in the koye. Or say ne reality one they say or a housewife, full-time housewife. Until will be our cousin a full-time housewife. Now they say or no some of the catcher will say or no one on the nation. Can you see the lies there? See the lies there. Me patron me. When men fan by politics, men politicizing or say because we hear NDC nintino some kind of looking critical 2 years back or by interview also no they say ne yere very good yeah you man now so say no ne yere active here or full-time housewife until the public say na and there I be catch or say or no Ghana for woman ye na politicians no obia ban is selfish interest become I don't care whether it is MPP or NDC obia was self interest obia ni obeka say me go into politics me dey mempashe mom dey market your bombetu am no monfa no obia was self interest until I dream so what kind of benefit are you going to get and then I am a person man for you but we feel say we are bantinu yeah we sumbra anya ye nko ya nimo abrofo no ye niam na ye dwane ko ho aye pese ye ntu kwan ko ho nyina why ye tax ni niam bi no mo dia ye o madwuma na obi aba no wa introduce tax a wo begina mu no akakase tax na enye or di kumu ya ama for to abag against nipa kono wo so ba betwam we are giving them so muntra tax no because that is what they promise us ade bi wo promise obi a say hu say what promise nipa there you have to fulfill that promise I say so muntra tax no because omo na ka say na nadu aban kumye COVID tax and e-levy they were killing us. Fine, we accepted that they were killing us with that tax. Now you are in power. Cancel that tax. Say the Yoruba at least you are fulfilling some kind of need that the youth wanted. Now they say, and we don't know. You are not being fair to us. This is why I want people to understand. Say, it is not what they will. It's not like they want to help you. They are coming for their own selfish interest. What you are not seeing or be meka bibi ma won't see. So the kind of policy about the down call muka krama usu wanyama unwa. That is what you are going to do. Now kenke price me say aka beto kenke no 10 cedis. Now no bi cha me say ni area mu hono mo kwa ko to kenke say na kenke ni 8 cedis. Am see e hu hwe. Because that is abrora no go to na abrora who person fanje say aya Ghana for menti asi o abrora no fanje say wakoto abro dia akogogu so ba kwakọ ya abetina ho aka asoja wase ayes who person no abrora no fa dokono nje say it's not going to happen me say mama ya yuzu ya adwen no that say ya that because ya mpelo kre e wa brabom when you do what they are doing better thing. Because you shouldn't think of that. Say a intimidate to a baby if you be. I'm a be on me by umbra. We are doing a very big mistake. And this is too late. It's too late. But this is the time we have to sit down. We have to know. Say at least. We have to know how to adjust to that system. And find out, see, if there will be another solution. Wow. Or ya woni person me kuminya selfishness. Me ka me koye we me koye campaign ka during campaign time me koye me campaign o baby. Me ma kwa me feel I was going to help them to do it. They were fighting of position. Where to be position, where to be position. I was there, I was like, are they serious? Are they serious? Time of election. Now we candidate, and I'm coming and say, is that the time, the best time to do that? And then see they say they want opposition. Especially Mimi say Mimi ni aban biamu, obi animi, politician bi animi, nti me, we be say she infect me. Na mo di ya woni ya wa woni mo obi wo se onipa na di wa mbuwa unti mi nkoto aba mi ko mo na mo bebre because they say about opposition e be worse and so wa na nka bia ukoka no ama wa obeka se bia wa se onu su ni bi nti o twe bebre bomofo bebre yenya yentina opposition but if we want to let things go well there I say yenyina yenhwe ya bra bomu se yiye because ade bi wo ho no so wan fa adua nto ho a wo be hete wo ho na awie no o de akwakoso obi mama yenhwe free we technical teachers allowance e koso MDC mbreso omo wo so 2014 mo ho no ban omo cancel teachers allowance MPP the obo polity omo campaign 2015 mo ho no so omo ba omo de teachers allowance no beba yes omuntimi omunya bedru ye pe and omo the teachers allowance na ba and teachers and nurses are taking their allowance kakra me see endorse wo unya bije se cho aban doka otua oka mo se mompe and allowance na e check crampans na aba and pay school ntini anya say and ya agege mo they say the mo be ram through and na me no mo amuko teachers training no I think say when omo vote to against MPP pa ye omo amanya free SHS no mo bi no mo bebre they didn't vote. Some of them didn't see the need of voting. Some of them too didn't want to go where they've registered to go and vote. In fact, a lot of things happened. And then they say, training colleges, all the kinds of training colleges, and then free they say teachers allowance na munyano. They say yes, ye chum top. And I think I'm very happy about that because my say munye MPP are binding share to her say we bet the student loan with just your ID card. You people say you don't want just your ID card. Musemompe and was some mama allowance a check crumper eba 400 cedis is not easy. The whole Ghana 400 cedis. Teachers training allowance schools I work Ghana and yakitwa a dorsal pa or to your be a single person or to your munina. MPP are by way ya but Modiama training college in the Saba degree. First in Kamuya Munya the diploma. Say I had degree. Now you people were ungrateful. You say you don't want. When you now must pet. And I say, and this almost so much. Now I am me cousin Yamedana, I am the papa, I am there. In fact, I'm buy worse than this, mepe, because we don't want to use our mind. Munko vote to a manko vote to. Or na where I am saying, na where I am saying, na where I am saying. That is all we all knew about. Out of. We don't want to even learn. We don't appreciate what we have. And I always say, if you have something small and you don't appreciate it, when that thing comes out from your hand, you will regret it. Because why they say, one dish in the and one part the papa or brabo, you are going to suffer. And then I think someone who work from there, you don't know anything. But when you go to villages like where I am coming from, I am calling teachers training allowance, no, and then the source of a year mutimi buabu no di two school fees. Now mo say ende mu twam. I think say eye ebe ko biani obi abehu nyansa. Now when me stress MPP abai mamu fa me politics mu campaign da se mbasa dia ba because mo de ba ye nyina ye bu befu because Ghana for we amuso mo pay free biom nti mo hwe na next 4 years mama ye campaign say mo de teachers training allowance baba because amuso mo pay ye fa mo eye simple and short won pay ye fa ma obiom because ade no ba ye na ye de ma wo no wo se won pay aya de ma no so won pay o check and I say it is say you almost won pay Ghana for some pay bibia free MPP for motion next coming 4 years man fa koye you will bring back teachers allowance because almost won pay mbre bi and amu ebi mu twa mu na mo se bo de baba and amu de aba and still almost won pay biom and I say twa mu nti ya twa mu amfa ma mu campaign biom se mo ba mo de baba. It is not going to happen. Amai we ye panina ye nyina ye penu koso se o man be koso ama ye nyina ye hwan ha ya ye nkase ye tu kwa ko bi aman so twa de exi o US ye nuanu mu na mo brebre o hormo wo ko a wo so be kwa adwuma wo nkwa adwuma so wo ni sika so betu ya wo ade say ya wo apartment a wo be ye there because o mu na I think say every month no mu tua nti wa anya sika na wo be ye there di bia tua. Look at the way they are strong. Look, say that man for look. Now nobody who ba could be see a confirm you nubi. In attempt of police for trying to you know, or one can somebody carry you too. It is all because of a bad country, and it's not just say one political party being started. I started from the dada. Now you see a peja emu anu ma go to against it. Omo peja emu anu go to against it. MPP by 2000. President Kufuor time share nema wa ya mai health insurance we edidimu na ekọ na eba free maternal care ye na ya benefit bi mimi se ma benefit bi e wo so ni na kire no ye sa vote against you omo Ghana for the na yepe free we feeding fee President Kufuor na de baye feeding fee we nyina chi ye se yempe because no, you don't know where people are coming from, so you don't appreciate. If you know where some of us were coming, some free they say school feeding, no, anything no introduce here. Say at least I could be a afternoon time. no watimi asua de ma watimi because akola nya bribi bia ya osua de ekom. We never thought of all those things. MPP ban this ba o ma ba zrokodom dum so ma wura musa for good years. Ankoya ni and yes nya de MPP NDC aba MPP aba MPP ba ya niema omuka nyina omogomodi aye ni nyina chi you don't appreciate anything. Hey Ghanaians, sometimes I wonder abro na ye abro ni bayi ana eden na ye. We don't want ade papa waba what the teachers training allowance we omo de aba back omo bomodi ahwe nkwala 5.7 million nkwala ako school. I start to be collected the figure now I don't know if I'm quoting it well. Oma hwe nkwala we nyina ko school free oma mu school ntade ama mu bibia in fact it go to the last minute say people even see Nanado as the wise enemy like omo fi say onu na oya me say Nanado de yankai na nso e be kai na anya start ye kai no as the teachers at allowance them mu twam yi ye no na ye be start dia kai no or because onu na e ba ya or the ba ye onu na nem breast o say me ba me de baba e na mpa so ba ye no de aba. We don't want all this. Ye mpa de pa ye de obi na ye yo say den yo we don't know. We don't want it. Olu ka obanya amfa ba be di watem comment section ase. But I think in this time around it's not say yeah we are going to say the truth. Me MPP ya de bi na nko ya ma ba basho I don't care. Me ade me ye you MPP ni bia nso ma se nka se bia ye say. But sometimes you see some things that is going on which say ye fa now you talk about it. It is MPP ni be bia we will come and talk about it. That doesn't mean say NDC ya there yantina ho we will talk about it. Let's see. Mama, I'm just praying for President Mahama say at least in nyama oka yes what beba no. Onfa bi mbra. I know it's not easy. You share when you are mobile football now with the bench. Obi ya mistake you can point and say oh wanya de. Ya do be shemu a na obe hu si ball no enya anu said ya wuti wo na nya anu na de ball. Nti enya no say na onipa no ya ade bia woni say ade we mi anka mi so metimi aye sam mistake no wo te wo de enya wo de anka wo na obetimi aye ni yiye me dia me bomb pa say niam o promising no ntimi fa bi mbra teachers training college dey asra mamu ntwam me ana me say mutwam abai me dem so me sa dwe me nuanom a mo wo ekura se ni niam in fact it's so difficult say be year NDC for NDC abai say be year President Mahama say be year teachers training college me sra o mentwam esan say ye nuanom bi mo wo ye nkura mu ni ye nkura ti o ti rigi hono mo no eno na mo rely I know student loan no there Dr. Baumi anya ye ehu arrangement but say kan kitikiti we eno na mo di hwehwe mo hu kakra ho nti bi dem ka be ye di ama mo ntwam ena free SHS no so ebe ye hwese metete hu se mo say schools beat say achimbota prempe no mo ne ma mo betwam ese mo hu say ahia fo mba na mo timitina ohia mu etimi tro BC no mo pass ye no omo binum na nya access to those kind of schools anka enya free ya nko mo nya access da nti ye besra say no be ya mentwam ebe ye ya yesre mentwam because I don't care about Obo because they have privilege of other things. But I am talking from where I'm coming from, where we don't have anything. We lack a lot of things. That is what I'm concerned about. These are the people I am fighting for. These are the people I know they need help. These are the people that can go any extent of having good education, but because they don't have it, so they couldn't have it. In fact, I know a lot of my friends, my mates that were able or have the capacity or they can learn more, but financial assistance, so they can't, even if they want. Yes, some people just study my way in Now, for the young on my one, say niema bi betimi atwa so a ministers muntwa bi so niema bi wo ha entimi mboa muntwa so na entimi mboa ordinary Ghanaian no ne entimi koyanim because niema ni bi wo ha na nya as we are saying it kaka no it involve a lot. It involve a lot. Me dem me ma adwene say sankabaya ya Ghana ni ba bia feel comfortable. System no munya ya. They say nan say at the rate fuel anya start iko na nyim no de yesuro. Me suro kra me hwa se me kwakope motorbike bi krampo yuzu because wo to fuel a fi se wato a eje na ni nyina sa. Ah? Nti yesre ye pamocho. Say mo ba hwa man no ma ya yi a I don't know how Dr. Bawumia and Nana-Addo did it. If there is anything, you can consult them. It doesn't make you stupid. If NDC will consult them, it doesn't make them stupid. In fact, the Nipabeka is a map of policy. Anything I mean, I'm saying, honorable Ablagu de Tablaquane, but idea of the bias of Besonia technology, obey you technology amount for bashing and say about Mia, you know. I see it to be a nice move. Yeah, it's Bawumia's idea. He brought it. He said this year we are not going to go to passport office. We Ghana card, you can use it and everything will be very easier. He brought it. He said it in his campaign. Said next year is starting. And pass wayama no eye juma. Intinu ono na idea. Just give recognizes what he has done. Say, oh, actually, Dr. Bawumia's idea that he said we should use this. I am going to use it. It will not take anything from you. That kind of prideness, I think, say, if you are a politician, now we give you credit to someone. It doesn't make you less human being, or it doesn't make your party look lesser. No, it's making you smarter. So because of that smart decision, Honorable Okudeta Ablakwa, I think I like it. I like it. A smart move. In fact, because the world is going to digital level. But you know why people are bashing you people? You people said Dr. Bawumia's idea was the worst idea ever. The digitalization no okumuye. No say no dey be the quite digital, dey be the car digital. Even we gave him Mr. Digital. The yes, and then you say he is not the one who brought it. You people are jokers. Dr. Bawumia will forever be remembered. For digitalization, anything you involve yourself in digital is Dr. Bawumia's idea. He has done it and it was working for us. In fact, that digitalization made you like now you can stand wherever you are and go to your phone and you have your digital address. And you can use it wherever you want to go. Now, because even if you go to the bank, they want your PO box, blah, 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 blah. They want your digital address. And it was Dr. Bawumia and Nana-Addo, Dankwa Akufo-Addo's their idea. And now we are free. You can order Uber and the Uber will come. You can just put a location on your phone and it will send you to wherever you are going. And it's helping. Let's be real. These people have done well. NDC. In fact, you can take a lot of things, inspiration from them. It doesn't make you less human being. But when you try to make as if they did not do anything, that is why Ghanaians will come after you and say, hey, Dr. Bawumia idea. So anytime you want to use, make sure you refer to Dr. Bawumia. Oh, I want to use Dr. Bawumia's idea of using the Ghana card for passports. It's a very smart move. It makes you smarter, not stupid, as people think you to make you. It makes you smarter. Mama, I don't know when I want to talk about I feel say when you are talking about the good thing or something, people will come after you and come and insult you. But I think they're normal. Normal. Especially when you know that you are saying the truth. I will say my truth. I'll keep saying my truth until I know the truth becomes the truth. I will not stop. Abusi afona me hwe me ana me patch o say aha Top G Multimedia so me also be subscribe to the page. Now follow me Queen Oti our YouTube home so me subscribe Queen Oti so na that brand be hwe me TikTok. Oba TikTok Janet Kuma o dare success mother ubehu me say meba. Follow me for more. I know say there are a lot of things that we have to talk about. because what does no oh share niema bia e bi sometimes we have to discuss a lot of things that it's going on and people don't want to talk about. But me patch will say me kai will say Valentine's Day no ana ye womu. This is the Valentine's week. I think say this week yana 14th. So it is this week. Next week and a day no. And me so that day remember life. Na me ba me de asema e de nkwa na ebro. No mo be hu se me ni obi ene beba. Me ne me guest. Edu so me de ni din ba beto dwa me de flyers nso beba. No wa hu obi a me ne ba be life no e wo ha no. Me sra se dani de nyina so no. Wo ba hwehwe me wo TikTok. Na subscribe wo Queen Oti e wo YouTube. E na afa so ubedi machi ana obehwe me dani nyina e wo Top G Multimedia so ha no. Top G Multimedia ye niema bebre wa ha no. Ye wo printing press ye any forms of printing bi a wo pe in fact billboard kwapo na wo pe se ye niema wa ye ni nyina ye niema bebre niema ye na doso nti me stress dani nyina wo behwe a follow me no wa hu ne ekoso me the flyers ni bi beto me TikTok page Janet Kuma and on me TikTok page Janet Kuma and after the me YouTube page no Queen Oti say Queen Oti no dem one na mo de ma me wo page ya so ntino and so mo be niema bebre ekoso wo ho no after so Top G Multimedia nya no kwa na ye photo shoot niema bebre wo ho aye in fact actually no me di niema no bebre baba ya say photo shoot no person onye say pre-wedding pictures say wo person ye metake wo wedding coverage na obi bia ye sa niema no nyina wo ha no nti me sra o so be follow me na hwe niema ye esan say ye wo niema bebro me se me ka se me kan a nti me the flyers me ba anytime me the flyers me ba say de obetime hu se niema we bi ene ye me sra mama ye use ya adwen Ghana. It is time for us to learn. It is time for us to know. It is time for us to appreciate. At least obi ye bibi mawa. No appreciate no. Na di pakro no ya no wa ye. NDC aban wa ba. Omo ya ade ya ba bo ma ba so. In fact, I will be the first person to say, oh, ade we ya omo ye ide ye. Na mbom so ma anya nso anu so ye ba ka ho asem. It doesn't make say ye hate omo. We want ye say politics. Say obi wa ban mu na o twa kwanye onim si na chi achia. Until so we point it, they will not know. Nti ade bi o enkoyi ya you point it out. It doesn't involve insult any niema. I wouldn't like to do any sort of insulting and other things. And who me here no. And no, you just do your thing clear. Na entimi fa mpum to mbra. But me there kukrudu no na me wo entimi sesa ma adwe. Dr. Bomia on it is possible family. Me chiache obi bia se mo anya adaje mo de hwe me. Me nafofo a mo TikTok nyina mo antimi nya me nda de me sra mo fa ncha me esanse nya me ame fault. Me phone na disappoint me laptop no so man connect ne ma bebre nti ene nti mantimi anya. Me sra mo fa me mfom so ncha me se mafom a kasa maka nyina se mafom obi o fa ncha me esanse obi o utwa kwaya unmi so nkwachi achia. This will be point to say how one can ye. Next week, you better share. Now, the Mr. Share any time beer. Yeah, the Asante Munsam never bramo. Asante Maimuni, a cost was Asante Maimuni, a cost war. In fact, we will talk about culture and in my name and Yakoko now, made a babramo. As I say, if you are and Yama be or not, what you say, as I say, young Kamasem. Remember, example, a been a 2 for UN. Or 2 for UN, display your display, or I mean, tell, Asante for one. Aye. Asante for mo na sa ndwum na moto nu na de kotoko yin e dan e eno no na ye dan de awu ya no no tu ngwa na na me fi se onya koboko kasa o the display akọ we chere say or make Ghana proud. In fact me hu ye na I was sitting down and make sure na I was having good bumps on my skin near because it was so unique. Because me who be our on display some kind of culture be near you. What say, am I who oh aye we na just asante for mo na mo de nsam beba amo ye kumuloki aje misra se daddy danya mo be hwe me because nsam wo ho na embre no entimi emma me kwan ma me nka nsam bebre nti misra se ba bia ya duru bia no ye de be si hanom na next time e ba na yatimi aye amana aye fe michia obi bia bio ana me say sisa wonya subscribe to Top G Multimedia ho no ehia me pa ho wo subscribe ya ye de niema betoto ho ene obehu o ene ma cho say ye niema bebre ye wo printing press ye ho ye printing ne printing bia wo pese de wo pe no bia say key holder na wo pese wo nye say de no pese enfa wo ne kase de no dodo wo ji say wan ka kire wo ka kire ya ye de e be ni to in fact men do say ba kopa na mienu pe say de atie bia wo de eno ane se wo be fa ye number na fe de what me ayaye actually me the numbers I hear so would better on me the better ase say de wo hwehwe ana wo pa asem bia ka na bibia wo betimi afre number no na fe de yatimi ama wo nchirechire mu wo ho ye wo babia ye photo shoot kama wo ba photos na ye fe wa wani beje ho ena enu achi nso ye wo say wo person ntwa wedding pictures na wo person be take coverage of something e bia occasion bi na wo ye program bi na wo ye na wo person be take nice coverage mawa we are there, we do all those things. Mr. me who don't Mr. so be subscribe ya mama na da ni da na what me hu me. Thank you very much. I will say for where the Mr. say be ende no e wo ha na achi e better ya babio. Madam ase bebre.
Abusiafo mi mo bibia akwaba eba Top G Multimedia so show we ya to ni din say Ghana issue show we so no ube me Janet Kuma sa show we so na etoda mo be hu say me ne mapamfo e betina esan say nyansa eni nipa ba futrim say akamfo mpese me ho nto me yi de ene ye